What's up guys, I just got the new loaded Tan Tien and I'm going to do an unboxing video. I have, let's see, 86A orangutan stimulus reels, the for your eyed ones. Paris 180 trucks. And some shitty bearings. They're called like Speedy Lieutenant or something. I don't know. Came with it. This is looking good. Yes. This is it. The loaded Tan Tien. It has that deck, kick nose, kick tail. Bearings are okay. 86A stimulus wheels. Paris trucks are the shit. The grip is really grippy. It has that cool design so it doesn't mess up because of the flex. The old loaded boards used to have a spray-on grip, which came off really easily. This is Flex 1, and I am 200 pounds. See, it's not that flexy, but I'll live. Board looks great. I'm gonna go ride it.
Thank God it's fatal, not shy. Not shy, fatal, not shy, fatal. Thank God. Thank God it's fatal, thank God it's fatal. Not shy. Not shy, fatal, not shy, fatal.